What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I've got an update here for y'all today. This is my cousin Zach. He don't want to be on video. This is his 96 Ford F-150 that he's had for several years. This is a beautiful truck. It's a long bed, regular cab, hard to find, with the 6-cylinder, the 4.9 6-cylinder, and a 5-speed transmission. You've got dual tanks, so you can run the long haul. He's put Goodyear Wranglers on it fairly recently. He's done a ton of work to this truck to make it roadworthy. I'm going to put a listing of items that he has had repaired in the description. And this truck's for sale. So this is the original black paint, y'all. This is nuts. And this truck hasn't been washed in a week or two. So when she's washed, she's really dolled up. Now she could use a paint correction. We got some, you know, we got plenty of little nicks and scratches and what have you, but all that stuff should buff out pretty good, pretty cleanly, and she should shine up like a new penny. Now, as y'all know, these things are getting impossible to find in good condition, not completely ass whipped and worn out. Comes with the nice diamond plate toolbox. We'll take it for a ride real quick. Oh. All right, we got 159,000 miles. She's been sitting here idling for a while. Runs nice and cool. We'll do a startup. Good old 4.9 comes to life. Let's go for a little ride. We're not gonna go very far. Just wanted to show you guys basically how she drives. Now, Zach, this check engine light's on. Has it been coming on and off?
Check engine?
Yeah, over here to the right. No, first. What has been triggering that?
Fuel system issue.
Okay.
So it might be that again.
Well, I mean, the truck runs and drives perfectly fine. We'll I'll try and troubleshoot this check engine light. Start naming off some of the work you've done to this truck in the past recent. Just start saying it out loud.
Just recently had both fuel pumps replaced, the rear gas tank, those new Wrangler tires, alternator, serpentine belt, O2 sensors, upstream, downstream, fuel filter, master cylinder, brake cylinder, clutch. Yeah.
AC work. You've had some AC work too, right? New dryer and stuff.
Yep. And
the AC's cold, y'all. I mean, it's not freezing cold, but we just turned it on, so.
Mass airflow sensor.
Oh yeah, that's right. You did. I did see a new mass airflow sensor. Let's try not to get killed.
Starter, solenoid. A lot of work.
Well, she runs great. I'm sure that check engine light's just something stupid. They always are. But guys, if y'all are looking for a good 4.96, we read a Carfax on this thing. I think you're about, what, the third owner or something like that?
Yeah.
It was long-term ownership by the second owner, and they traded it in at the Nissan store when you bought it, right?
Yeah.
So it was kind of crazy that they did that. You know, mostly anybody with an old truck like this, they'll just sell it, but they traded it in, and my cousin Zach here came up on it and has used it for small work and landscape type stuff, just handyman stuff. You know, it hadn't been a beat up, abused work truck, and it drives freaking great, man. I love this thing. I wish I could keep it. I wish I could buy it from you and keep it. Well, I gotta sell some freaking cars, man.
Oh yeah.
We got a lot of them, a lot full of cars. Got good acceleration.
Be careful with that gear shift knob. It's loose right now. It might come off your hand.
Oh, okay.
I need to re-glue that.
Re-glue the knob. Well, there you have it, guys. 1996 Ford F-150. This is an XLT, right? Yeah, it's got the cruise control, power windows, power locks. It's got all the stuff. It runs, it drives like a champ. Gonna be for sale. I'll post just more information in the description, as well as the price when we land on that number. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.